Are you searching for a viral video idea that can quickly grow your YouTube or social media channel? Then look at this video. The Mighty Hulk works as a hairdresser. This is really weird and never happened. People like weird things, and that kind of content hooks them in. So, the formula is super simple. We will take a famous figure and make them weird. But the question is, how do you make a realistic-looking video like this with sound effects? That's what I'm going to show you in this full guide on how to make realistic AI videos that are going to viral. So let's dive in. So now that you know how to get a good idea, for example, I am making a video where Elon Musk is selling water lemon in an Indian market. I know, it's a super cool story. That's something that gets views. So now let me show you how to get this instead of this, which app to use, and how to make the right prompt. Instead of using so many tools, you can use ImagineArt to generate the videos. ImagineArt AI is an amazing image and video generator platform. However, I will put all the links in the description. This amazing AI tool offers you text-to-image, real-time generation, AI video generator, ideate, creative upscale, and even character consistency. First, create an account by clicking on the Sign In button. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. Here you will find tools to create images, videos, music, and more. You will find multiple tools to create images and videos. Here in the Video Studio, you will find the text-to-video, image-to-video, and image shorts tools. The Imagine Shorts tool is to generate shorts videos from a simple idea. Let's create a short video with this Imagine Shorts tool. After coming to the Imagine Shorts Creator interface, you can create a new project or choose a template from here. For example, I am selecting satire from here. Now you will get two options, write with AI and write your own script. As I only have the idea, I am entering the idea about Elon Musk selling water lemon in India. After entering the idea, you can change the category. Next, select the length. I will go for a long. In the end, set the language and then hit the continue button. And here it is, our story is ready. Now if you don't like the story, you can create another version by clicking here. Once you find the best story, click on the continue button. On the next button, we have to select the voiceover. Here you will find a bunch of options. Listen to some of them and then select the best one. Next, we have to set some video settings. First of all, the aspect ratio, then the media library. You can use pixel stock footage or create with ImagineArt. I will go with create with ImagineArt. Next, we have scene pacing settings. My suggestion is to go at the fast pace. After that, the caption. Here you can enable the caption and set the caption style. In the end, you can set the background music of the video. Once everything is set, hit the submit button. It will take some time to generate the video. Let's fast forward to this part. And here it is, the video is ready.
Elon Bhaiya was a simple watermelon seller in Mumbai, known for his loud sing-song voice echoing through the crowded streets of Dadar.
As you can see, it generates a pretty decent video, and the quality of the video is better than Clipwise. However, we can make the video more engaging using the ImagineArt AI image and AI video generator. I will use the same story to create the video, so I will copy the story from here. Now, open ChatGPT or DeepSeek. Now ask for the scene description and the image generation prompt. I will put the prompts in the description. Once the prompts are ready, come back to ImagineArt. Now here you can generate videos directly using the AI video generator. But there is a catch. We may not get the consistent character result. To solve this issue, I will generate images first with the AI image generator. In the Image Studio tab, you will find various image generation features. I will talk about them later in another video. Today, I will use this AI image generator tool. After coming to this tool, first, we have to select the model. Here you will find a vast of options. Just select as per your need. I will go with realistic. Next, set the aspect ratio. I will go with 9:16. After that, set the styles, lighting, and camera. These settings will help you to create perfect results. Okay, next we have image guidance, and this one is very important. I will upload an image of Elon Musk. Once the image is uploaded, you will find some modes here to use the image reference. We have to use this face portrait option. Okay, now come to the prompt box and enter the very first prompt. After entering the prompt, hit the generate button. After waiting some time, I got these images. And look at the results, they are just amazing. It looks like the real Elon Musk. So, now in this method, Generate all other images for all the scenes. Alright, our images are ready. Now it's time to turn them into videos. And to do that, we will use the image to video generator from the Video Studio. Once you select the image to video, you have to upload the image you want to turn into video. I am uploading the very first image. After uploading the image, you can crop the image to match the aspect ratio. So, select the aspect ratio you need. Now you can see, it generates an auto prompt from the image. I will delete this prompt and enter a new one. I will simply use the prompt I got from DeepSeek. After entering the prompt, you can change the video generation model from here. Imagine Art allows you to generate videos using Killing, Hyper, Hailuo AI, and even Lumaray. You can use any of them or use the Imagine AI video generator. After selecting the video generation model, you can set style, lighting, or camera motion from here. Okay, once everything is set, hit the Generate button. And here it is, the video clip is ready. And look at the quality of the video. This is just amazing. Now let's see another very important feature of Imagine Art. You can generate auto sound effects with this AI video generator. Simply click on the Add Sound button from here. And this is the result of sound effects. That's amazing. Now you can simply download the video by clicking here. So in this method, download all the video clips and then download them into your device. Alright, all of our video clips are ready. Now I will edit them with a video editor. Before that, if you start only with a script, you can generate voiceover using any voiceover generator, like 11 Labs or DupDub. As I already have the video with a voiceover, I will edit the video using a video editor. And here is the final output.
Elon Paya was a simple watermelon seller in Mumbai, known for his loud sing-song voice echoing through the crowded streets of Dadar. Every morning he'd set up his wooden cart, neatly stacking bright green watermelons like a pyramid. His secret? A big smile, a sharp wit, and his famous tagline, "Eat once and you'll feel like you're on the moon." One day a customer jokingly asked, "What's so special about your watermelons?" Without missing a beat, Elon Paya replied, "These aren't just watermelons, they're rocket watermelons. They'll take you straight to the moon." The crowd burst into laughter and word spread like wildfire. Soon, people from all over Mumbai came to buy his rocket watermelons. Elon Paya started carving little rocket shapes on the melons, adding a touch of humor. Bollywood stars and influencers began posting about him, and his cart became a viral sensation.
This is just amazing. Now you can create viral videos using Imagine Art AI and start making money. Imagine Art offers a vast number of features. So, if you are serious about content creation, you should try this amazing tool. The link will be in the description. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience creating videos with AI. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching.